Hello and welcome to my new video. Today I will teach you how to remotely navigate between your dual boot OS. In my case it's Ubuntu and Windows. The first thing you need to make sure that you have any type of remote program in both of your OS. It can be TeamViewer, for example. The second thing, you need to make sure that the Ubuntu operation system is the default one. So how we'll do it, we will go to Terminal. We will check it inside the grub. etc default and grub. Type the password, and as you see, grub default is 0. It means the Ubuntu operation system is the first one and the default. So basically what we're going to do is to use this script, go to Windows. What it basically does, it tells the grubs that you want that the Windows operation system will be the default for only once. So let's check it out. Let's open the terminal right from the desktop. Open terminal and let's execute. Oh yeah, I almost forgot. Check that the script is executable. How we'll do it? We'll go to properties and here you will check this line, allow executing file as program. Okay, so now let's execute it. And we'll type the password. As you see, now Windows is the default OS. Don't forget it's only for once. As you see, Windows is launched, and if you want to go back to Ubuntu or Mint or whatever any other OS you have like Mint or Fedora, we just restart our Windows OS. And here you go. Ubuntu is the default OS again. If you like the video, please subscribe. I will leave a link to the description below to the script. So thank you for watching and bye bye.